Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you how Grey Brahman bullhorns are transformed into premium handbag handles, luxury belt buckles, and elegant fashion accessories.
Controlled conditioning prepares every horn for precision machining while maintaining its natural beauty. Every horn component is individually crafted to preserve its unique natural pattern and premium appearance. We have a moisture spike in Sector 4. Reroute the coolant immediately. Every luxury accessory is carefully inspected before being approved for customers worldwide.
And that's how Grey Brahman horn becomes premium luxury fashion accessories, from carefully prepared natural material to world-class craftsmanship. Thanks for watching.